The 2026 BMW M8 stands at the zenith of BMW's engineering excellence, blending extreme performance, opulent luxury, and striking aesthetics into one breathtaking grand tour. Available in 3 distinct body styles, the Coupe, Convertible, and Gran Coupe, this high-performance machine represents the flagship of the M division, offering an unmatched fusion of dynamism and daily drivability. The exterior of the 2026 BMW M8 has been subtly reimagined for a more aggressive and sophisticated presence. The refreshed kidney grille now features active slats that open and close based on cooling needs, while slimmer, laser-adaptive LED headlights give the front end a sharper gaze. New aerodynamic enhancements, including a sculpted front bumper with enlarged air intakes and a carbon fiber rear diffuser, underline its motorsport roots. The 2026 M8 rides on newly designed lightweight forged 20-inch wheels, wrapped in ultra-high-performance tires. A revised suspension geometry and lower stance give it a more planted look, while a wider rear track accentuates the M8's aggressive proportions. Under the sculpted hood of the 2026 BMW M8 lies a re-engineered 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now delivering a staggering 635 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque, a slight but meaningful increase over the previous model, thanks to revised turbochargers, enhanced cooling systems, and optimized fuel injection. Paired with an 8-speed M Steptronic transmission and a rear-biased M xDrive all-wheel drive system, the M8 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds, Coupe and Gran Coupe, and 3.1 seconds for the Convertible. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, but the optional M driver's package unlocks a breathtaking 190 miles per hour. A recalibrated adaptive M suspension with electronically controlled dampers offers a blend of comfort and cornering tenacity. Drivers can fine-tune the steering, throttle response, shift behavior, and AWD system via the M setup menu, while the M mode button adjusts driver assistance sensitivity for track, sport, or road modes. For purists, a new M traction control system offers 10 levels of slip regulation, allowing drivers to dial in their ideal balance of grip and oversteer. Massive M compound brakes or optional carbon ceramic brakes ensure supreme stopping power. The 2026 BMW M8 is not just a car, it's a statement of intent. It tells the world that you demand the best of both worlds, uncompromising performance and refined luxury. With its razor-sharp design, cutting-edge tech, and spine-tingling performance, the M8 isn't just a sports car, it's a flagship that redefines the category.